right, for this nougat candy, I am testing almond bark to make the nougat. Now, this calls for 12. Okay, that's not working. This calls for 12 ounces of chocolate, and this is a 24 ounce package. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna stick it in there. And then our marshmallows. And our butter.
Making sure the wrapper is off.
Wow, I set the internet afire with thinking I had a wrapper in. So they thought I had a wrapper in my butter. I did not. It was a dot.
The candy.
But people were very disturbed that my friends and family were going to be eating a wrapper. So thank you for your concern, but it was just a dot. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Okay, that white chocolate does not want to be set free from its bondage, does it? That looks very much better.
They're feeling festive.
They are feeling festive, aren't they?
Still chunky, huh?
Yeah. Okay, when you feel that your bowl is warm, stop microwaving and let the residual heat melt your stuff. That way you don't burn your chocolate or your marshmallows. Now, if you guys are wondering, this is my popcorn bowl. I got it at a thrift store for $3. I'll link it in the description below, but this makes the perfect microwave mixing bowl. I absolutely love it.
Is this the one you brought back on the airplane from our anniversary vacation?
It is. I was gonna stuff it under my coat and pretend like I was pregnant if they wouldn't let me on with it.
Got it at a thrift store.
I'm sure it would be believable that I was pregnant, don't you think, dear?
Sure.
It looks just like a baby bump.
It looks just like a baby bump, my son says. Because he's an expert, you know. He's got this down. I think so. Okay, got it melted. Now, the recipe calls for 2/3 of a cup of a combination of fruits and nuts, but I'm just gonna start dumping because I'm Cara. And it's my show, so I can do what I want. I can do what I want because it's my show. You don't like it? Well, tougho schmuffo.
You don't need no stinking recipes.
Recipes are for amateurs. Okay, this is bending my spoon though.
Maybe we do need stinking recipes.
We need recipes. Okay. Second.
That's you want your husband to stir it for you?
Yes. Wow. Okay, my parchment. I'm just going to lightly grease it. Okay, now I am just putting on gloves so I don't have to dig out the candy out of my fingernails. And, okay, you do need an extremely sturdy spoon for this.
You're regretting the choice to add a lot more stuff.
I don't know. I guess that remains to be seen, doesn't it? I don't know. I like a lot of fruits and nuts in my food. I like the good stuff.
Making this like a fruitcake candy.
Oh, I love fruitcake. Okay, guys, anybody comment and tell me, anybody else love fruitcake? Fruitcake gets a bad rap, and I can't find the fruitcake candy this year. So I'm just tough darts farmer for me.
Maybe you'll have to find the recipe and make it.
Well, I could probably. Not sure it's worth all that, but maybe. But I am a fruitcake connoisseur. I absolutely love fruitcake. I need to make me a gluten-free, dairy-free fruitcake this year because I love it. Although I don't know where I would get the stuff for it because, like I said, I can't get it in my town. Oops. Okay. Oh, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, I'm gonna let this set up and then we are going to cut it. Perfect. Okay.
Do you want to push those down into it or no?
You are so particular.
That's perfect.
Just kidding, thank you. I did not see that. Okay, we're gonna let this set up. All right, here is our fruit and nuts with white bark. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my goodness. Oh! Did I mention I don't really like chocolate? I mean, I do. Don't get me wrong. I like chocolate, but if I have my choice, if I had to pick between white chocolate and chocolate, I would pick white chocolate.
And here you just dumped in.
Yes.
So how many stuff is there compared to what you called for in the recipe?
Probably 3 times the amount. So I probably put a cup to a cup and a half in here, and it calls for 2/3 of a cup. Because I'm just a dump and go kind of a gal. Okay. So let's see, what do we decide? Thirds? Is that what we...
Well, when you were doing your fancy math.
It is harder to cut with more stuff in it. Oh, look at that. Yum.
Show me again.
Ready? Okay, here we go. Mmm. Oh my goodness, that was so good. This is delicious. Okay, I do like it with the more fruit and nuts in it. But if you're cutting back on money, the other one was actually really close to being as good.